friends, let's begin. So, first is the lock screen. Now comes the home screen with the latest pixel launcher. As you can see, my app drawer is perfectly working. Then comes the Google feed, which also don't force stop. Now we should get into the settings. The same stuff as other devices, but something which we want is the Havoc settings. Now come the about phone. Here, the Android version 9. As you can see, it's unofficial build, but it's perfectly nice. But then now comes the main thing we all are waiting for: Havoc settings. As you can see, the options available here, there are a lot of tons of it. First comes the status bar. Double tap to sleep option, brightness control by sliding over the status bar. Then come the clock settings. You can set the alignment of clock, left, center or right. I'm previewing it by doing left. AM PM option. Date. Breezy notification. Yeah, it's nice feature to try out. Now come the battery styles. Portrait. You can see here it's portrait, but my choice is circle well. Now come the battery bar. It's just to enhance the look of your phone. You won't be able to see here. Let's get into the home screen. Oh, sorry, it's the assistant. Now you can see as there's a white line there. That's the battery bar. Now again we should get into it. Yeah, then the network traffic option. And the other customizations which I don't like so. Then come the quick settings. Brightness slider, or brightness icon, tile, brightness slider can set to bottom. Then comes the interface. Expanded desktop, which hides your status bar and give you more display. But I don't like that well. Then comes background color. It can be set as liked by you. I can show you the light version. Notification color, accent colors. You can see here two tabs. One they have, other the user like. We can also set QS header color. I have choose accent based, which is blue. You can also set to black. We can change the QS style, which we are having very tons of icons here. Yeah, it's changed, you can see it here. Now the simple one which you can relate with. Here you go. You can change the font. Most are the Havoc fonts. It's also kind of Google Send font. Now, what I like, you can also get bezels on your phone with the help of this feature. As you can see, it's increasing and decreasing the bezel size. And this is the content padding. Sorry, this is the content padding. From this can manage your screen by not cutting it in the out of the area. Then come the ambient display. Yeah, now playing feature from is ported from Pixel phones, which is a very useful feature. You must give it a try. Always on option. Wait for a preview. Here comes other triggers for ambient displays. Screen stabilization. I don't know how it works, but you get an option here. If you know how to use it, please let me in the comment below. I don't find it very useful feature well. Then comes the buttons. You can automatically turn off torch after the gesture. Various options available here. If you don't want to see this, you can skip to the part you like, but I suggest you to please watch a full video because you wanna see a very lot of tons of customizations. Now the gestures, system gestures. Swipe on the home button. As you can see, it changes style. Now come the full screen gesture, the recent gesture. Now how to go back? So just going back is so simple. Just swipe on the nav bar. As gestures. Oh, sorry, system gesture first. Swipe gestures. You must try to on your own so you can explore something. As gestures. It's very much like for me because on using by one hand it is very useful. Then come the app circle bar, pie control, gesture anywhere. Lock screen. Clock font size. You can change the clock font. There are many options for that. Date font 2. Lock screen stuff is very much similar to other custom ROMs, so there is nothing to show. Recent styles can be set into Omni switch. Stock recent can also be changed to Oreo 1. You can enable disable memory bar, clear button, immersive recents, or hide apps from recents. Then comes notification, heads up, Less boring heads up. There's nothing to show in animation. Well, it's just about the power menu animation. I set in rotate. So let's preview once. This is how it works. Screen off animation can also be set.